Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you! Revised K-12 Curriculum English Grade 2 Quarter 1 Lesson 3 Day 3. Our topic for today is about sight words. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Let's start! Learning objectives. Identify grade 2 level appropriate sight words. Recognize rhymes in the poem Lesson 2. Read words accurately and automatically by focusing on word patterns, including CVC words with a medial A sound. Segment onset and rhyme in words. Read words correctly for meaning based on word patterns and write words legibly and correctly using the learned word patterns. Good day, class! I hope that everyone is having a fantastic day. As we start our day, let's take a moment to express gratitude for the life and blessings we have received. Speaking of blessings, let us say and remember this line. We are blessed to be a blessing to others. Upon saying the line, what did you feel? Now, let us try to recall the character of Gladius in the story, The Worst Day Ever. Can someone do the different emotions he experienced in that story through facial expressions? In today's lesson, you will identify words that we can use to form sentences. You will listen to a poem and observe how words sounds alike. Additionally, you will write words legibly and correctly using the learned word patterns. Let us unlock the meaning of the words using clues from the sentences. I will read. Nap. The baby sleeps. Cozy. She felt comfortable in her pajamas. Struck. The rain hit the roof. Roared. The baby cried when it rained. Haystacks. The bundle of grass from the rice field got wet. Underline the clues that help you identify the meaning of the words. Nap. The baby sleeps. Answer: sleeps. Cozy. She felt comfortable in her pajamas. Answer: comfortable. Struck. The rain hit the roof. Answer: hit. Roared. The baby cried when it rained. Answer: cried. Haystacks. The bundle of grass from the rice field got wet. Answer, bundle of grass. Aside from those vocabulary words, you will also encounter some words that we use in forming sentences. Let's practice reading them. Let's read. Jump, jump. Away, away. Here, here. Help, help. Make, make. Yellow, yellow. Two, two. Play, play. Run, run. Find, find. I will read the poem aloud. While listening, please try to find out what Gladius felt and experienced after their canceled fishing trip. The Best Day Ever by Giselle A. Tiaño. It was still raining heavily. Gladius was still mad and kept saying, "This is the worst day ever," again and again. His mother heard him and came over with a smile. "It's okay to feel bad, Gladius. Let's find a way to make you feel better." "But I want to go fishing. I want to jump and play in the pond. I want to stay outside all day," he said with teary eyes. Together, they sat on the mat, and his mother told him, "Gladius, close your eyes and take a deep breath. Count as many as you can until you no longer feel your sadness and anger. Take them away." What do you think Gladius felt after his mother comforted him? One, two, three, we are climbing up a tree. 4, 5, 6, we are picking up sticks. 7, 8, 9, now that I'm fine. And 10, the sun rises again. Then suddenly, lightning struck and thunder roared. Gladius felt nervous. His mother hugged him tightly, and slowly he began to feel better. The rain started to slow down. As he looked out the window, he saw how the dry land of the wide rice fields began to absorb the rainwater. The pile of golden yellow haystacks got wet. The frogs were jumping around actively, moving here and there. What did Gladius realize about the rain? He realized the rain helped their small town prepare for the next planting season. The rainy weather made the mood cozy inside their home. After a while, his father told him, "Why don't we make a mini playhouse with pillows and blankets?" Gladius' eyes lit up as he answered happily, "Yes, I'm willing to help." Their whole family spent the day talking about their funny and happy experiences, making it the best day ever. Finally, Gladius took a nap. While he was sleeping, he dreamed about calling his friends to run joyfully in the rain. The rain outside has stopped. He learned that even when things don't go as planned, he can manage his emotions and still find joy in simple things. What are the things that made that day the best day ever for Gladius? Let's go fishing in the pond of word fish. Here, you'll see a lot of fish with words on them. Read the words aloud after I read them to you. Repeat after me. 3, 3, 3. Tree, tree, tree. Fine, fine, fine. 9, 9, 9. 6, 6, 6. Sticks, sticks, sticks. Sat, sat, sat. 10, 10, 10. Mat, mat, mat. Sat, sat, sat. Good job, kids! Now that you've heard the words, let us identify the pairs that rhyme with each other. This time, let us get the words with only 3 letters. I will begin by reading them aloud. Then, you will read after me. Bad, bad, bad. Sat, sat, sat. Mat, mat, mat. Nap, nap, nap. Has, has, has. What sound do you hear at the beginning of the word? How about in the middle? At the end? Do they have the same middle sound? What is that sound? Answer: ah, ah, ah. Very good. The sound in the middle is ah, ah, ah. This is the sound we learned on day 1. Now, let's try to have a reading practice once again. I will say some words. When they have a medial sound of ah or the sound ah, stomp your feet. Words for this drill: tin, tin, tin. Gap, gap, gap. Pin, pin, pin. Rat, rat, rat. 10, 10, 10. Bet, bet, bet. Man, man, man. Good job! It seems that you have understood the medial sound A. Since we have already caught the fish from the pond of word fish, let us complete the words associated with the pictures. Number 1. Answer: lad, lad, lad. Number 2. Answer: wag, wag, wag. Number 3. Answer: dam, dam, dam. Number 4. Answer: tab, tab, tab. Number 5. Ram, ram, ram. Do you remember the term used for the consonant letters inside the bubbles on the left? How about the letter combination inside the box on the right? Very good. The letters on the left are consonants that we call onset. The letter combination on the right is what we call rhyme. Today, I learned that there are words that have the same ending sound. They are called blank words. The words man, bag, and pan have a middle blank sound. I have also learned about onset and rhyme. Blank is the initial consonant sound, while blank are the letters that follow. In this example, bar, blank is the onset, while blank is the rhyme. Let's answer. Today, I learned that there are words that have the same ending sound. They are called rhyming words. The words man, bag, and pan have a middle short a sound. I have also learned about onset and rhyme. Onset is the initial consonant sound, while rhyme are the letters that follow. In this example, bar, B is the onset, while R is the rhyme. And that wraps up today's lesson. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for tuning in.